green IT is a very broad topic, in fact. So there isn't, we deal with a lot of projects, especially in green IT. For example, in this place you see a landscape which is showing you a scenario where energy is generated, and there are also private people who consume energy, and we have a marketplace here which is facilitating this buying and selling of energy. And down in this a couple of booths you would see other demo scenarios where such how do we efficiently use energy that is produced by renewable means or non-conventional energy, for instance. So we are, green IT is a very, very broad topic, and we are specialized in, or we are doing projects that are very specific on certain areas. So this particular project, for example, is more concentrated on an intelligent marketplace. So the marketplace that we have behind me is it's a portal, it's an online portal where energy producers can produce energy and they can sell it there. And me, for example, as a private person, can go to this marketplace and I can give my preferences. For example, I want to consume energy that is with a very low CO2 emission, for instance, or energy that is produced without any without any carbons, or without or renewable energy, for instance. That is, wind energy is a very good example, or non-conventional energy. So I can give my preferences there. And I also have an option of consuming energy only when I want it to consume. So things like this you can give in as preferences in this online portal, and the portal will give you an information over a mobile phone as an SMS, for example, that energy is now available, and you can immediately use this energy or consume this energy. So you can turn on your oven or your dishwasher, for example. So there are so many use cases where you can consume energy at the time you want to. So currently the scenario is totally different. We just plug in the socket and then we turn on the machine and then we are consuming energy. And sometimes this is quite expensive too, because energy has to be stored somewhere, and this storage is quite expensive. But if I could use energy at the time energy is available and at the time when I want it, it is giving a very good economical balance both on the load as well as on the price.